Hey, I'm Fish. I'm a micro small channel, nobody in this world, and I'm going to tell you some things I like and dislike about the OP3 that is back in my hand that you may or may not know. Test number one, what happens if you hold the button of the record while you're recording? Let's try that right now. You get this big red line that circles around about 3 seconds long, not even. If it fully completes, you deleted your video. Did you know that? The record button acts as two things. It has a start-stop and a power on and off. Now it acts as three things. A power on and off, a start-stop, and a delete while you're recording. Many people who came from a Pocket 2 was a pause recording. Oh no, it's not a Pocket 2. It's a Pocket 3. A totally different camera of a 1-inch sensor. Why would it act like a Pocket 2? So when you pay no attention to the record button and you want to pause the video, you just basically long press the button and you drop the gimbal down. And it doesn't say pause, it says deleting the video while recording in a nice big red circle. This feature was added after the Insta360 Ace Pro came out and had it at default. No one asked for that feature. No one wanted that feature. Instant delete while recording. Because that's what it is, right? I feel like I'm wasting a breath right here for the reason of, I don't feel a buzz unless I put it on. You got it. Audio to video sync recording. Is this something that DJI is just doing? Copying other companies and making their product better their way? Well, you want to copy instant record? Get rid of it and just give us back pause recording. People want that more than they want instant record delete. Post down below what you want. Would you want pause recording, instant recording, or the option of DJI? Nobody understands anyway. How am I supposed to hear you? I don't have audio to video sync on. It's just a waste of battery power of the mic too. And DJI thinks they got the best microphone that don't waste battery power. And when you want to feel that vibration, why have the vibration? Why have it record? And why have the green light on if you're here to go green? My bike fell. My derailleur is stuck in here. So how am I going to free this? I don't know what happened to my chain. I think it went behind. So what am I supposed to do now? How am I supposed to ride? Did the derailleur just basically bent and broke? I gotta get my hands all greasy, and now my reflector is just breaking altogether. Fall off the chain. Let's go. Pull it up. It knows I want to get a bicycle, a new one. Definitely it broke thanks to the fall. Unbelievable. I don't know if I can make it home now. It definitely bent in there. Shouldn't be this close. I'll figure this out. I'm gonna have to put my bike into a higher gear. I'm able to pedal home. And yeah, yesterday I was looking for a new bike. I want a lighter bike, and I want a bike I can pedal, and a bike that's comfort, a Dutch bike. Getting back to DJI, the Pocket 3, and its products. You want something reliable, you gotta spend a lot of money. You want something that's just gonna get you by, then this is what you get. Don't get me wrong, I'm just telling you like it is. Nobody else shows it like the fish. You want to learn your camera? Read the manual. Know what it says. If it don't include those features, then you gotta go look for the answers when the firmware updates come by. But if you don't do all that and you just think you wanna just press the buttons, hit this, do that, and expect those issues. That's what the 1-inch OP3 is. The best camera in the world. No bugs, no issues, no flaws, no complaints. Enjoy your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, no matter how and where and when you use it. Don't forget to hit that record button while recording, and have a great day. Enjoy. See you on many other videos to come. I'm out of here.